I would shine, but it wasn't a match. Wrote some songs about Ricky, now I listen and laugh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sugar Annabelle of LebannaBeauty. And before I start, I just want to ask for your apology. Please forgive and ignore the mess behind me. I didn't really plan to film today, so like everywhere is a mess. Ignore my hair and me not laying my edges, ignore my eyebrows not being the same. Just ignore those. Today is not about me, it's not about these little things, it's about the Morphe and James Charles palette. Now when I tell you, I've been trying to find this palette for the past, since it launched. I've gone to so many altars, I've called altars, I've been on their calling list, callback list, everything, and I haven't found this palette. And Morphe said they were restocking yesterday, or this morning. They said they were yesterday, they said they were restocking this morning, so I knew that my altars might get it. So this morning at 9:30 I called them and I drove straight there. At 10:05 I was there, I picked up the palette, and here we are. I haven't opened it, so this is going to be like an unboxing slash, you know, first impression slash review slash everything. So without further ado, let's get into it. I just realized I've never actually come on my channel with braids, because I haven't had braids since I started my channel. It's been a long time. Anyway, here are my blonde braids. I was feeling really cute, you know. So first we're going to start by unboxing the palette, and it comes in this really nice white box, and at the back it says, "Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my palette, blah 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 blah." That's not the point. Anyway, it comes with this protective thing over it, and you take it out, and then you have this. I am so happy this palette is black. It's pretty big, but I'm so happy it's black because my Jaclyn Hill palette has been through it. It looks pink now, but this is black. It's so sleek. I like how like it's matte. Such a beautiful palette, and it's not very heavy. And then you open it. guys, I can't believe I own this now. You open it and it comes with the protective film, whatever, that has the names, and this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. Like, the colors aren't really showing up as they should. Everyone who reviewed it said that, and it's so true because these colors are gorgeous. So as usual, I'm going to start by priming my lids, and I heard that with this palette it's best to prime with a primer that's actually made for the eyes. And so I have the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Eden, and I have the P. Louise base. And I know that James Charles used the MAC paint pot in, I think, soft ochre or whatever, but he said not to use a concealer. But lots of people have been using the P. Louise base, which to me is a concealer. Like, it pretty much works like a concealer, but then it's made for the eyes, so I guess it's better. So I'm just going to use it because why not. So now my eyes are primed with the P. Louise base, and I just patted it in till it was pretty dry. So I did a poll on Instagram, and I had two looks. I'm trying to recreate a James Charles look, which is probably not going to look like his because he's amazing, and I mean, I'm not bad, but I'm not there yet. So I have two looks that I put up on my Instagram. I did like a poll. One of them is this look, and the other one is this look, and I put both of them up on my Instagram, and I was like, you know, everyone pick one. And I thought that, you know, my loving followers would pick the easier one because it's more wearable and they want to see how I achieved it. But no, I guess everybody wants to challenge Annabelle. Let's see what it is right now. So I put the poll up 4 hours ago, and I have a bunch of responses, and 38% of people voted for the easier look, and then I think 62 voted for the harder look. So I guess we're going for the harder one. Why did I play myself? Why did I even put it up? How am I going to do this? How? That's crazy. Plus he face tunes his pictures, which is fine. Like, I face tune my pictures too, so that's fine, but that is mad. So first of all, I'm going to start with the purple shade, and it's the dark purple shade, and it's called Escape. I'm just going to pack that into, I have to keep this picture here, you know, to remember what I'm doing, because this is wild.
I know I'm so grateful for my ex. Thank you.
Wow. Wow, guys, can you see this? Gee. That is crazy. And I like how it's such a dark purple, yet it's not. I have another dark purple that almost looks black sometimes, but this you can still see that it's purple, but it's still so pigmented and so freaking dark. Wow, sorry Jacqueline Hill, you might just have been bounced. So next I think he definitely went in with an orange, but I feel like before he added the orange he added a red, and there's a red shade here. The red shade is called You're Kidding. He literally says that in all his videos. He's like, you're kidding. Oh, you're kidding. So I'm going to go in with You're Kidding. I really should have gotten his brush collection because I need new brushes, but like today I'm going to go in with You're Kidding on this brush, and I'm going to gently blend out the purple. Wow, Annabelle, you might have just played yourself. Who sent me, guys? Who really sent me? I know it looks crazy now, but I can see the end, guys. I hope. Next, I'm going to go into the shade Rusted, just a tiny bit, and use that to blend out the red. And I'm going to take it deeper into the crease. Wow, that's wild. Guys, this is wow. It's not really like a dark orange, so I thought it would look like somewhat ashy on me, but wow guys, it's actually like bomb. There's actually like a yellow on top of this orange. I don't know whose eye that's gonna go on because I ain't got no more space, but we'll see. I feel like the red got lost, so I'm going to bring back that red and blend it between the purple and the orange. Now I'm going to go in with the shade 518, which is like a lighter orange. It's almost like a yellowy orange, and then I'm going to start to bring that yellow into the mix. Now I'm going to go in with the color I've been so excited to use, B, the actual yellow, and I'm going to just use the sides, like the corner of my brush, and just kind of like bring that in. And this is pretty much what we have as the crease work. I just kept blending the colors back and forth, and I think it looks okay. It doesn't look exactly like his, but this is gonna have to do. And then I watched someone recreate this look and they didn't cut their crease, they just packed on the yellow onto their lids. I didn't love how it came out. I think his line is really sharp because he cut his crease, and I haven't cut my crease in like almost 6 months, so wish me luck, guys. I'm just going to go in with the P. Louise base and carve my crease. Let me look at the picture again. I got this. I don't got this. I got this. I got this. I got this. Okay.
Time was up. I acted reckless. I've loved and I've lost.
I took it almost all the way out because by the time I blend, most of the cut crease would be gone. They're not the same. I'm going to fix that. Cut creases are sisters, not twins. Kind of like brows. But these ones look like distant cousins, and that's not okay. Okay, so they're pretty similar now, and then I'm going to look at the picture. So it looks like he blended it in from like dark purple to an orange that looks more like the lighter orange, not the darker one, and then to the yellow. Okay. Next, I'm going to go in with the orange shade called 518, and I'm going to pop that right beside the dark purple. Oh, I need new brushes. This brush is too big. I'm just going to blend that into the purple. I don't want the orange to show too much, you know. Wow, look at me playing with colors. Okay, James. I guess James has really unleashed my inner artist or whatever. So now I'm going to go in with the yellow, the shade B, and I'm going to pack that on the cut crease. Okay, the yellow is pretty. I expected slightly more, you know, yellow, slightly more pigment, but it's fine. It's doing a good job.
I don't care if it's scary.
I'm also not used to doing like matte eye looks, so forgive me.
So many lessons, had to make it a song. He told me love so selfish.
Okay, so now I'm done with the yellow, and I struggled, as you could probably tell, but it looks pretty nice. It looks nice to me. So what I'm going to do now is go and do this eye off camera, finish the rest of my face, pop on my lashes, but I'll be back for my lower lash line because honestly this video is about the palette and nothing else. So yeah. Okay, so I'm back with the skin done and the lashes on. I know I look like a whole new person. I've done my lips too. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish the bottom of the eye. As you can see by this picture here, there's a lot going on with the bottom. Like there's green, there's blue, there's purple, there's more yellow. I didn't do the freckles like he did because like I can't be asked. Okay, so now I'm going to do two things. First thing I'm going to do is go in with a white eyeliner and line my waterline with the white. I'm going to take a little more of the base, the P. Louise base we used at the top, and I'm going to put that at the on my lower lash line, just to make the colors that I'm going to put there, you know, show up. So now that we're done with that, the first thing I'm going to do is go in with, wow, my eyes look so big. Wow. The first thing I'm going to do is go in with the yellow called B. I'm going to start from the inside and work my way out. So the yellow stays just in here. Really, it's just like, oh, there's fallout. Yeah, this yellow has a bunch of fallout, but then again it's yellow, it's fine. So for the green, I don't know if he used a dark or a light green because he has both in the palette. Then I'm going to go in with the light one first, and if it's too light I'll just put the dark one on top. So the light one is called Social Blade, and I'm going to put it both on my waterline and on my lower lash line. Wow, this fallout is not cute. So I'm going to go in with the lighter blue first. I'm going to take a little bit of the darker blue. Ooh, okay, now time for our favorite color of the night, the dark purple called Escape.
Thank you, Nick.
Wow, this is amazing. I'm so proud of myself. Wow, James, you really, this palette was named right. Unleash your inner artist, because that's what the hell it did to me. So yeah guys, this is the finished look. Thanks to everyone for challenging me, because honestly, just me being me, I would never have done this. Like, not in a million years would I have thought I could pull this look off. I know it doesn't look exactly like his, but honestly this is the closest I could get. So my review on the palette is bomb. You should go get it. It's actually an amazing palette. The colors are extremely pigmented. I heard they're not just like regular eyeshadows, they're pressed pigments. So that being said, they're slightly trickier to work with, but in general, honestly, I feel like if you can just do regular eyeshadow, you'll be fine with them. And for the surprise of the video, I'll be giving away one Morphe and James Charles palette to one lucky subscriber. All you have to do is go to my Instagram. It's going to be somewhere on the screen. Like my picture announcing the giveaway. That's number one. It's going to be a picture of the palette, I think. Number two, tag 3 friends under the comments and tell them to follow me. And then number 3, well, I'm pulling a blank. So like the picture, tag 3 friends, tell them to follow me. Make sure you're following me. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, number 4. And if you want to increase your chances, send me a screenshot showing that you're actually subscribed to my channel, because sometimes I can't really see names. And yeah, just follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, tag 3 friends, tell them to follow me, and like the picture. Just 4 rules, very simple. Again, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.